Good day everyone. Our topic for this day is all about domain and range. So I'm Sir Regan Junicio, a mathematics teacher. Now let's proceed to domain and range. Rational function. So a rational function is a function of the form f of x equals to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials and the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So the domain of a function f of x is a set of all values of which the function is defined, and the range of the function is the set of all that f of x takes. So para mas maintindihan natin, gawin natin siya as an example. So mas madali kasi intindihin kung gagawin nating example, or gagamitin sa example. So domain of a rational function. So domain again is all real values of x for which y is defined, or may value yung y. If there is any value of x for which y is undefined, kailan ba naging undefined yan? Kapag 0 yung denominator. We have to exclude that particular value from the set of domain. Let's have an example. Determine the domain of the following rational function. Number 1, 1 over x minus 2. Number 2, f of x equals to x plus 2 over 2x plus 6. So solution for number 1, y is equals to 1 over x plus 2. So ang sabi doon, the denominator x minus 2 cannot be equal to 0. Bakit? Kasi magiging undefined siya. So anong ibig sabihin? X minus 2 cannot be equal to 0 or not equal to 0. So plus 2 both side, x cannot be equal to 2. Totoo naman, kasi kapag yung x naging 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So kung gagawa tayo ng number line, meron tayong 2 as a critical value, yung 2 is not counted. Okay? So lahat ng numbers maliban sa 2 ay pwede. Like that. So therefore, the domain of this function is equals to negative infinity, yung smaller number, hanggang kay positive 2, not counted, union, mula kay 2 mag-start, not counted, pero yung 2.00001, counted yan. So wag lang yung exactong 2. Up to positive infinity, and we're done. Now, let's proceed to example number 2. So again, the denominator cannot be equal to 0. 2x plus 6 cannot be equal to 0. Plus minus 6 both sides. So 2x cannot be equal to negative 6. Divide 2 both sides. So x cannot be equal to negative 3. So again, sa number line natin, negative 3 is unshaded. Not counted yan. At lahat ay counted. Therefore, the domain must be negative infinity to negative 3, union, negative 3 to positive infinity, and we're done. Now, let's proceed to the range of a rational function. So, range is nothing but all real values of y for the given domain. Okay? So, meron tayong dalawang step na kailangang gawin. Una, isolate the variable x or solve for x in terms of y. Number 2, the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So, dinagdag lang yung step 1. Kasi kailangan naka x equal siya imbis na y equals. So, gawin natin. So, yung example natin ay yung pa rin kanina. Okay? So, yung number 1. Y equals to 1 over x minus 2. So, isolate the variable x. Kasi ito, y equals. Ang gagawin natin, dapat x equals. Nakukuha? So, x equals to puro y itong kabila. Or merong variable y. Pero nasa kabilang side, x lang. I-isolate natin siya. So, ganito yung natin kailangan gawin. So, y equals to 1 over x minus 2. Lipat sa kabila. Or mag-minus tayo ng 1 over x minus 2. So, may lipat sa kabila, magiging negative. Kailangan magkamukha ng denominator. So, alam kung paano gagawin. Multiply by x minus 2. Now, combine the numerator. Copy the denominator. So, x minus 1 minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, sir, nawala yung denominator. Yes, nawawala na yung denominator kasi solve natin yung x in terms of y. Pag kinross multiply natin yan, so yung nasa denominator ay x minus 2, kinross multiply natin yan, tanggal na rin yung denominator. Automatic. Okay? So, ulitin ko lang, equation to, not inequality. Okay? So, sana naintindihan natin yung part na yan. So, yung denominator, disregard, kasi po, pag kinross multiply natin dyan, magsi-0 to, 0 na rin yan. Yung denominator natin. Kahit ano pa yan. Nakuha? Next, lahat ng x ititira natin dito sa left side at lahat ng walang x lipat sa kanan o ibato natin sa kanan. So, yung 2x lipat sa kanan at yung 1 lipat sa kanan or negative 1 lipat sa kanan. Magiging xy equals to 2y plus 1. So, isang bagay na lang yung gagawin natin para mailipat yung y sa kabila. So, nakamultiply yan, i-divide natin both side by y. So, x equals to 2y plus 1 all over y. And that's our goal. Kailangan i-isolate natin yung variable x. So, we're done. Step 1. Step 2, the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So, y cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, number line, yung y cannot be equal to 0. So, 0 yan. So, not counted. And lahat ay counted. Maliban sa 0. So, yung range niyan must be negative infinity to 0. Union, 0 to positive infinity. And yung 0 is not counted. And we're done. Diba? Medyo madali lang to. Number 2. F of x equals to x plus 2 over 2x plus 6. So, isolate the variable x and solve for x in terms of y. So, now, f of x equals to y. So, pag nakita kayo ng f of x, g of x, pwede siyang palitan ng variable y. Same lang naman yan. Okay po. Palitan natin. Y equals to x plus 2 over 2x plus 6. Lipat sa kabila para mag-equal to 0. Kaya ganito yung ginamit natin na solving rational equation. So, laging equal to 0. Kasi mas madali siya. Kailangan magkamukha ng denominator. So, multiply by 2x plus 6. So, yung denominator, disregard. Kasi pag kinross multiply yan, 0 din yan. So, ang tendency, didistribute natin yung sign sa x saka dun sa 2. So, wag pong kakalimutan yun. Hindi lang yung x yung nagbabago yung sign. Kasi subtraction po ito. Yung iba po kasi ay negative x lang. Yung 2, nagiging positive lang siya. So, kapag in-write natin siya, make sure na meron yung parenthesis para didistribute yung sign. Okay, doki. Next, lahat ng walang variable x lipat sa kabila. So, yung 2 lipat maging positive, yung 6y lipat sa kabila magiging negative 6y. Next, kailangan isolate lang yung x, so factor out natin yung x. Pag pinactor out natin yung x sa 2xy, matitira ay 2y. Factor out mo yung x dun sa x, 1 na lang yung matitira. So, pag dinistribute mo to, x times 2y is 2xy, x times 1 is just x. So, balik ka lang dun sa umpisa. Nakuha? Now, para matatanggal tong 2y minus 1 na yan, i-divide natin yan both side by 2y minus 1. So, magiging x equals to 2 minus 6y all over 2y minus 1. And, we're done. Kasi naka-x equals something na siya. So, we'll now proceed to step number 2. So, the denominator cannot be equal to 0. Ano ibig sabihin? 2y minus 1 cannot be equal to 0. Plus 1 both side. 2y cannot be equal to 1. Divide by 2. So, y cannot be equal to 1/2. Number line. 1/2. So, not counted. So, lahat ay counted. Therefore, the range is negative infinity to 1/2. Union, 1/2 to positive infinity. And we're done.